how to enable or disable send last location of the iPhone when the battery is critically low on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services. Then we go down and tap on Share My Location. Next, tap on Find My iPhone. Then go down and tap on Send Last Location. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. This will automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.